Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing good. So today we are going to learn about some tricks which will help you learning your English or improving your English. So I'm going to share all these tips in this video. So don't forget to watch this video till the end. And if you are watching this video for the first time, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also hit the bell icon so that you can be notified when I upload my videos. And you can follow me on Instagram as well. My Instagram ID is Rachna4290. I keep posting daily used sentences and word meanings there. So it will be helpful for you if you follow me there. My Instagram ID is Rachna4290. I'll be giving you the link of my Instagram ID in the description box. So let's get started. आप वीडियो को लास्ट तक देखना. आपको जितनी भी ट्रिक्स है इंग्लिश की जो आपके लिए काम करेगा वो मैं आपको इस वीडियो में बताने वाली हूँ. अगर वीडियो को आप स्किप करते हो तो आपको समझ में नहीं आएगी. और जो आपका ड्रीम है टू स्पीक इंग्लिश which cannot be fulfilled. So watch this video till the end. So let's get started. Okay, for learning English, first point is it's very important to set yourself a goal. Okay, you have to set a goal because without any goal or without any aim, if you have not any aim where you have to reach, you cannot do anything. First of all, you have to set your goals for fulfilling your dreams or for learning English. Okay, second is create a study schedule. It can be either in the morning or afternoon or in the evening. It's up to you. Whenever you are free, just take out some time for your learning English, for improving your English, then work on that time. Okay, and practice and read it out as much as you can, because as much as you will practice, you will be learning very soon. So it's totally up to you how much time you give for your practice or for your learning. And third is practice a little bit every day. It's not possible to reach the mountain in a day, so you have to move step by step. So yeah, just practice little bit every day so that you can reach your destination. Whatever you want to achieve, you can achieve. Okay, so practice every day and discover what type of learner you are. What do you want? What's your goal? What's your niche? What's your desire? What do you want to do or what do you want to know? Just discover yourself. Okay, turn on music in English. Okay, whenever you are listening any songs, go with the lyrics. Just pay attention on those words or those sentences which is being said in that music. Just note down those words or sentences in your copy and read them out. Okay, आप practice करो, बोल बोल करके practice करो, then only you will be able to speak. And the next point is watch movies with English dialogue. Okay, watching a movie is always a fun. We all like movies, so why not to watch any movies in English which will entertain you as well as it will help you to improve your English. So go with the lyrics as I already told you, and go with the sentences or dialogues which is being said in those lines or in movies. Okay, so go with them and try it out and practice. And another trick is just use flashcards. It may using flashcards may be the older trick, but students use that trick around the world because it works. Okay, so you need to if you want to strong your vocabulary, you use flashcards that will help you learn or improve your vocabulary as well as your English. And yeah, practice as much as you can, track your progress. Just see yourself from where you have started or where you are now, where you have to go. Just track your progress, that where you are now and where you have to go. Just track each and everything. And finally, just it is most important thing, just keep in your mind that some of the tricks may not work for you. Okay, whatever I have told you in this video, some of them cannot or may not work for you. So you need to just find those persons whose English is good, just find out your contacts, your friends, just pay attention on those people. It's not possible, or you will not be able to speak or converse with them every time or face to face, because all means people are busy in their daily lives. They cannot give you more time for speaking. But try to just surround yourself, just try to be in contact of those persons whose English is good, so that it will be helpful for you for improving your learning skill. And you can learn from them many things. You can learn new words or vocabulary while speaking. If you get any new words or sentences which you don't know, go through your dictionary, just find those meanings, those words meanings, because whatever I am sharing in this video, this is my personal experience. I have done all these things for learning or for improving my English, and here I am today. I'm sharing my experience. This is my own experience. I'm not copying anybody's skills. All these things I have done for learning or for improving English. So I want you to do the same thing. And yeah, keep practicing and keep learning. As much as you will practice, you will learn very soon. So yeah, thank you. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also hit the bell icon and get notifications when I upload my videos. Thank you.